A new season dawns in the world of Timeattack. For the first time under the name Timeattack.se, the Scandinavian Timeattack series takes shape. In the season premiere rounds, the fastest street, electric, track and extreme cars from across Scandinavia lined up to battle it out at Kinnekulle Ring, a short, fast and technically demanding circuit that punishes hesitation and rewards precision. Rounds 1 and 2 delivered tight grids, bold driving and fierce competition. New drivers were tested, veterans returned, margins shrank, and across multiple classes, lap records fell. This isn't just a rebrand, it's a new beginning for Timeattack in Scandinavia. Next, the series moves on to round 3 and the special event, King of Mantorp. From June 26th to 28th, Mantorp Park hosts the next chapter. Kings will be crowned, but will more lap records be shattered? Join us trackside. See you at Mantorp.